Winger Leon Bailey has been included in the Reggae Boys squad for the final 3 matches of the CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers to take place later this month. However, there's no place for 11 of the players who took part in the last set of qualifiers.
With the Reggae Boys no longer in contention for a place at the 2022 World Cup in Qatar, JFF President Michael Ricketts stated some weeks ago that the federation will be looking to cut costs for the final set of qualifiers. As a result, the door has been opened for at least 7 local-based players following the release of a squad of 16 overseas-based players. Leon Bailey, who missed out in the last window because of injury, has been included to see out the fixture, which will see the Reggae Boys play El Salvador on March 24 at the National Stadium, then away to Canada on the 27th, before closing out the fixture on the 30th against Honduras at the National Stadium. Missing out for the remaining matches is striker Mikel Antonio, while the other noticeable absentees are Corey Burke, Bobby Reed, Liam Moore, Kemar Lawrence, Junior Flemings, and Alvas Powell. Goalkeeper Dylan Barnes of Queen's Park Rangers has been recalled for the dead rubber along with striker Kemar Roof and midfielder Jamal Doe, who all missed out on the last set of qualifiers. Jamaica are currently 7th in the 8th team standing with 7 points. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.